Hello, and that's Mike Phillips to you. Today we're going to do a little cooking with Mike Phillips. What I'm making here is I have chicken breasts that I had frozen. I thawed it out and shredding it here, and I'm going to make some tortilla soup. So this is what I'm doing right now, shredding the chicken, and I'll get to the next ingredients. Okay, next I'm going to put 4 32-ounce containers of chicken stock in here. Hopefully it's not too much for this pot, but I'm going to open this and pour it in there. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. Oh, looks like I may need to get a bigger container. All right, it's 2. I guess for this size container, I might use 3. With a couple more ingredients to add in here. Next, add a can of red enchilada sauce. Yeah, I might need to get another container, a bigger one. Let me look for that and I'll swap. Okay, it said to add some corn. See, I put some in 2 containers here. So it said to add some corn, so I'm going to put some corn I have from here in this thing and pour it in both these pots. That's good. Okay, so put some diced tomatoes in here and put some in here. Okay, now next I get this to the stove. All right, here shows to bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for 15 minutes. So, whoops, wrong burner. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then, all right, it's still cooking here. It hasn't boiled yet, but I want to add a little comino spice, not too much. Give it a little flavor, and some ground cumin, if I could find it here. Oh, here it is. Some ground cumin, just to give it a little flavor of my touch. some spices. Stir this up. See that chicken in there? And I use my personal favorite, chicken breast. I like that better than thighs, wings, legs. I'm a breast man, I guess you can say. We'll check back. All right, this thing's ready here. Look at that. Chicken tortilla soup. Guess if you have leftover chicken, get those ingredients. Should have a good meal here for let's leave on a cool day. All right, a little cooking with Mike Phillips. And that's Mike Phillips to you.